Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So I think in the last lecture, in the last lab, we have completed tutorial number 6 and tutorial number 7. Okay. So this tutorial number 6 was related to theories only, and the tutorial number 7 was related to examples. Okay. Is the due date have passed for submitting the assignment or not?
Yes, sir. Passed.
Okay. So any problem in that? I think in 7 tutorial we have skipped some of the examples. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going for lab as well as lecture session. Okay, because we need to complete this Bode plot as soon as possible because it requires a lot of practice to draw Bode plot. So we will continue with the lecture and then we will complete some of the examples, so some of the examples of tutorial number 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But before that, just I want to share with you that I have already uploaded 2 videos. Those videos related to your labs, that is experiment number 1 and experiment number 2. So how many of you have seen these videos, experiment number 1 and experiment number 2? I have uploaded it on 8th of February, 8th of March, April actually. So and the manual is attached. Have you seen that? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4
Yes, sir.
students have seen. 5. Okay, only 5 students have seen. Okay, very good. Okay, so it is again a part of your lab session. I'm not asking you to submit all these documents. Okay, so that doesn't mean it doesn't require कि आज ये हाथ ऊंचा छे. I'm considering they are actually more concerned about their studies and want to actually know about the lab session. Okay, I'm just marking it ki how many people are seeing, and actually I can see ki how many people have watched this video, initial few minutes of the videos or full videos, and from which ID they have seen this video. Okay, so just I am making sure that everybody is watching it now. Any problem in that videos?
Sir, we have to take only 2 to 3 readings.
Sorry.
Sir, the readings that you have taken is.
uh, Oh, I'm not asking you to take the readings. Okay, in that video I have asked you have to take the reading, but you just note it down. Don't need to submit it. So
Okay.
you actually can figure it out. What will be the value of in observation table. Okay, we
Hmm.
submit nothing karwana, but for your reference purpose, just take it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, many of you, if you are not able to see, here I have posted 2 links. That is experiment number 1, that is lab. Okay, 225. Okay, and this experiment number 1 manual is that. Okay, so you can read the manual and parallelly you can see the videos also. So those who have done it, they might have seen this to study the basic feedback control system. Okay, so this was regarding your first experiment to study the basic feedback control system. Okay, this is the procedure, and the procedure I explained in the videos as well. Okay, so this is your experiment number 1 and the link of that kit. Okay, so that I have given over here. That is experiment number 1 and this experiment number 2. We will be having 8 experiments. So these 8 experiments videos I will be uploading one by one, and you need to complete it by your own. I will not be asking or checking it individually, but the questions related to this experiment will be asked in your practical examination. So that you need to remember. Any queries in this? You don't need to submit the observation table, although you have to take it because the question is going to be asked in your practical examination. Okay, and before practical examination we will be having one session in which we will be discussing all experiments. Okay, જે લોકોને query છે એમના માટે. Those who don't have a query એમના માટે એ session નહીં હોય. Okay, shall I move next?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So I have given tutorial number 6 and 7. In your tutorial number 6, there was a theory part, and in the tutorial number 7, there was a examples part. So I think the theory part is somewhat clear. Okay, let me see how many you have submitted. Okay, so many have submitted. Only this student have not submitted. Roll number 2, 25, 23, 16, 13, 5 and 34 have not submitted. Okay, it is regarding tutorial number 6. Okay, and this is regarding your tutorial number 7. So in your tutorial number 7, again 25, 32, 23, 29, 16, 9, 8, 5, 34 have not submitted. Although the tutorial number 7 my examples baki che, so આની જે due date છે I will again extend it. Okay, પણ અત્યારે એના ઉપર અત્યારે વાત નહીં કરીએ because we want to focus on body plot. Okay, જે લોકોએ સબમિટ કરાયું છે એ બધા જ એક્ઝામ્પલ કમ્પ્લીટ કર્યા છે કે પછી અમુક બાકી રહ્યા છતાં બી કરી નાખ્યા છે?
સર તમે જેટલા કરાયા હતા એટલા જ કર્યા છે.
ઓકે, નો ઇશ્યુ. જે બાકી છે એ આપણે નેક્સ્ટ સેશનમાં લઈશું કે જ્યારે if I am in a college at that time, maybe we'll be having some extra session because અત્યારે I'm working from home, so it might have some connectivity issue. That's why I'm making it some in a formal manner. So do you have your body plot related material with you?
Yes.
Yes.
Last में lecture में चलाया तो ये.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So where we were having this. Okay, let me share that PPT. Okay, so this is your frequency response analysis and body plot. Okay, so we have gone for this, that is pole at origin. So we have concluded that we will be having pole at origin, so we will be having minus 20 dB per decade, and for zeros we will be having plus 20 dB per decade. And if there are number of poles, it will be minus 20 into p and 20 into z dB per decade. That is the slope of each and everything. Then we have taken simple poles or zeros. So what we have concluded for simple pole, that is minus 20 dB per decade, we have separated it out in terms of a lower frequency and higher frequency zone. Okay, and we are now not considering this lower frequency zone, and we have concluded like this. Then we have taken this simple zero and we have concluded that it is 20 dB per decade. Okay, now if I am going for phase angle plot, for the phase angle plot again we have made the calculation and we have this answer, minus 10 inverse omega t for pole, and for zeros it is 10 inverse omega by omega t, sorry. Okay, it is plus minus and it is plus. Okay, this is the factor number 6, that is quadratic factor. Although it is not in your examination, we will be not having that much quadratic poles. You will be having simple poles, simple zeros, simple poles at origin, zeros at origin. Although we have made some calculation and we have concluded that we will be having a 40 dB per decade for the quadratic poles and minus 40 dB per decade for the quadratic poles and 40 dB per decade for the quadratic zeros. Then we have taken first example. Okay, so GS into HS is equal to 20 upon S into 1 plus 0.1 S. So we have categorized three factors. K is equal to 20. Okay, pole at origin, that is this one. Okay, and your another pole, that is simple pole. Okay, we have taken factor number 1. We have got the answer M is equal to 26.02 dB. Factor number 2, again we'll be having the answer is slope is equal to minus 20 dB per decade. How I can write? Because we have derived this. Factor number 3, simple pole. For the simple pole, you will be having omega. Omega is nothing but 1 upon T. So T is equal to over here is 0.1. So we need to compare it with the standard form. Okay, so standard form will be like this: 20 upon S into so K upon S into 1 plus T1 into S, 1 plus T2 into S, and so on. Okay, so we will be having omega is equal to 10 radian per second. What does that mean? Your simple pole will occur at this frequency, 10 radian per second. Okay, then we have taken we have, for plotting the phase angle plot, we have made this observation table. I think all of you have done. Okay, so for this we are varying the frequency from point from 0.1 to, let us say, 100 or infinity, and we are finding out the resultant phase angle phi r. It is nothing but the summation of phi 1, phi 2, phi 3. Phi 1 will be factor k, it will always be 0. For factor 2, it is nothing but your 1 upon s. Okay, so it is nothing but minus 90 degree, and you will be having a simple poles. So for simple poles, there is equation minus 10. Excuse me, somebody have interrupted. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for this equation, factor number 3, the equation is minus 20 minus 10 inverse 0.1 into omega. That is nothing but your omega by T. So 0.1 into omega. So we will be putting omega over here and we will be getting some answer. Then we will find out the resultant. That means this plus this plus this. So you will be getting this answer. Okay, so we are going to plot this. So how we are going to plot this? So first we will take one semi-log graph paper. Okay, so for semi-log graph paper, screen બદલાઈ કે એમને એની એજ છે?
બદલાઈ.
બદલાઈ, that means semi-log graph paper છે. Okay,
Yes.
so you will be having one semi-log graph paper. What you have to do is you have to hold your semi-log graph paper in this manner. Okay, let me see, 1 minute. Body plot, it is okay. Anyways, if it is not that much visible, we'll be having this camera also. Okay, is two screens are visible to everyone? This graph paper, that is which is a
Sir,
blank
it is
one.
very blur.
Huh?
Blur બહુ
આવશે
છે.
સર કેમેરા વાળું બ્લર છે
Camera શું?
કેમેરા વાળું બ્લર આવે છે
Okay, 1 minute, એ હું સેટ કરું છું. Now
Still blur.
now
સર બ્લર જ છે હજુ પણ.
okay, 1 minute. આજે પીપીટી છે, મીન્સ જે પીડીએફ ફાઇલ છે બોડી પ્લોટ વાળી, you just see it. Okay, જે કર્સર જ્યાં ફરે છે ત્યાં. So what you have to do, you have to take one we have to take one graph in which you have to mark this line. Okay, 0 dB line, 20 dB line, 40 dB line, and 60 dB. These are going to be reference for me. Okay, so for that, what we will be doing, we will be drawing this line that is 0 dB line, 20 dB, 40 dB and 60 dB. Just wait, I'm coming back in within few minutes. Is it now visible? Is it visible now?
No.
So we will be
Camera
marking some lines over here. That is 0 dB. Let us say 20 dB and 40 dB. And if it is required, we will be using 60 dB. So what will be the scale? One particular unit is equal to how much dB? 20 dB. Okay.
So blur. Sir, it is very blur. Sir, it is due to graph. Just
It is actually blur is basically is why, because we are having these lines. That's why due to some camera is not capturing that much resolution. That's why it is that much blur.
yes, sir.
But let me just try it.
Sir, we
Are you
can
able to
see
see
it in
this?
the PDF. Sir, we
Huh?
can see it in PDF.
You can see it in PDF. Okay. So we
Yes,
will
sir.
be continue with this. We have to first mark 0 dB, 20 dB, 40 dB and 60 dB. Then we have to make a reference lines. Okay. So થોડુંક તમને ના દેખાતું હોય તો એ જસ્ટ આમ જોઈ લેજો કે આ હું ડ્રો કરું છું ફરીથી. So I am making this reference line. This is your 0 dB line. Okay. This is your 20 dB line. These are nothing but the 20 dB. These are nothing but the 40 dB line. Okay, this is nothing but your 60 dB line. Done. So I have made in this particular graph, we have made this line. Okay, so it will be, this is nothing but slope will be minus 20 dB per decade. First line. Second line will be having a slope of minus 40 dB per decade. There is this one. And the third one is minus 60 dB per decade. Okay, this line I have drawn. Now first we have to do what? We have to first draw the line of k factor. K is equal to 20. So what will be the magnitude? 26.02 dB. Okay, so when we how this 26.2 dB will come? Okay, this particular scale is what? 1 unit is equal to 20 dB. So in this particular 1 unit, how many another units are there? So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 units are there. So one particular subunit is equal to how much dB? 5 dB. Okay, so 26 क्या आवश्यक है यहाँ से? So in this line we have made this 26 dB line. Okay, this one over here. This one. This one. Okay, this line I have made 26 dB per decade. So over here I will draw it over here. So this will be your 5, 10. Okay, it will be, oh sorry, 4, 10, and it will be coming up just like over here. So I will draw the K line. So K line is nothing but the 26 dB per decade. Okay, so I will draw a straight line because the K line, K factor does not have any slope. So it will be a straight line. Done. So this is nothing but your 26 dB line. This one. As you can see clearly, this is nothing but your 26 dB line. Okay, we have extended like this 26 dB line. Okay, and this is nothing but so you have to write it over here 20 log K. It is equal to 26 dB. Now which factor will come? K factor is over. This factor is over. Now factor number 2. Factor number 2 is what? 1 upon S. What will be the slope? Minus 20 dB per decade. And omega is equal to what? 1. Okay. For that, what we have to do? We have to first mark omega. Okay. So how we can mark this omega? Omega, we are starting our graph from this side. We are starting the graph from this side. So I will be starting from point 1. Okay, and this, I have already told you, this is nothing but the decade. In this decade, there will be a 10 subparts, okay, which is having a further 10 subparts in it. Okay, so it is going to be multiplied by 10. So if I am writing it over here like 0.1, it is going to be multiplied by 10. So 0.1 into 10 is equal to 1. 1 into 10 is equal to 10. So it will be a 10 radian per second. Okay, so I will be writing in this manner. So omega, I am writing over here, omega is equal to 1, omega is equal to 1, omega is equal to 10. Okay, so our pole at origin is coming at omega is equal to 1. At which particular, over here. What will be the slope of this? It is nothing but the minus 20 dB per decade. So I have made the some reference line minus 20 dB per decade. I will extend it. Okay, so again I will extend it over here. I will extend it over here. So this will be my minus 1 pole at origin line. Okay, 1 pole at origin. Okay, that is minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, I have not limited this line. Okay, why? Because I don't know at which particular point it will stop. Next stop क्या रहा at this point. This is over. This is over. Okay, this as a SNI line છે, it will be stopped at next pole. Next pole, it is coming on which frequency? Next pole is coming on which frequency? Omega is equal to, next pole is your simple pole. So omega is equal to 10 radian per second. Okay, in a 10 radian per second upar a stop thase. But before that, we have to make the summation of your K factor and your pole at origin. आप बन्ने नु summation करो ऊपर से. For that, what we will do? Now we are having two lines. First line is this. Second line is this. Are you getting this or not? देखा है ना बराबर? Are you getting me or not?
Yes, sir, getting that extended line.
So we are having two lines. First line and the second line is this. So we have to make the algebraic summation. Okay, at omega is equal to 1, this pole at origin is. So what I will do, I will move this particular point at this level. એટલે અહીંયાથી આ point ને ઉપાડીને અહીંયા લઈ જઈશ. Okay, what is the slope of this K line? 0 dB.
0.
What is the slope of pole at origin line?
minus 20 dB.
minus 20 dB per decade. So what will be the resultant? બંનેનો સરવાળો કરો તો આન્સર શું આવે? 0 dB minus 20 dB. So answer will be minus 20 dB. Okay. So what
Yes,
I will do, I will move this particular point over here. Okay. If I'm moving, then new line will come which will represent resultant of your K factor and pole at origin. Okay. So I am just moving over here. Okay. I will move this particular line over here. Now the new slope will be minus 20 dB per decade. So I have to draw one particular line, okay, which is having minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, now see this, my hand movement. Okay, how I am drawing it. This is your point. Okay, now I have to shift it to this point. Point ઉપર જવું છે. So I will be drawing one line over here. Done. Slope of this line is 0 dB. Slope of this line is minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, so the resultant will be minus 20 dB per decade. So what I will do, I will make the parallel line, જે originally તમારી minus 20 dB per decade ની line હતી, એને parallel લઈ જઈશ અહીંયા સુધી. ક્યાં સુધી? કે જ્યાં K ની line touch થાય છે ત્યાં સુધી. Okay, again what I will do, in order to create a resultant line, I will draw a parallel line of your minus 20 dB per decade and move it to over here. Kaya point upar? This one. In the PDF file, અહીંયા જે છે કયો point અહીંયા સુધી લઈ જઈશ. આ point ને ઉપાડીને અહીંયા સુધી લઈ જઈશ. I will draw a line કોના parallel માં? આના parallel માં. Okay, so I am drawing it. This one. Okay. Now at which particular point this line is going to end? This is going to end next pole. Next pole kyo છે? Omega is equal to 10 radian per second. So 10 radian per second kya ayo? This one. So at this point this line is going to end. So I am ending this line over here. Okay, so it will be starting from over here. Okay, so this is nothing but the effect of K. This is nothing but the effect of K. This is nothing but 1 plus 2. It is nothing but the resultant slope. 1 plus 2. It is nothing but the resultant slope. Done. It is nothing but the resultant slope. Next pole avi gayo. This one. Okay, what will be the slope of this next pole? Minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, so now there will be a new line which will be starting from this point, whose slope will be minus 20 dB per decade. પહેલા આ લાઈન નો સ્લોપ કેટલો છે? આનો સ્લોપ કેટલો છે? This line
minus 20 dB.
minus 20 dB per decade is already there. Now
Yes.
new pole is coming whose slope is minus 20 dB per decade. What will be the resultant?
Sir, minus 40.
Minus 20 and minus 20. Again it will be minus 40. Okay, so I will start drawing this line of the slope minus 40 dB per decade. Okay, એટલે હું શું કરીશ? અહીંયાથી આ જે 40 dB ની લાઈન જે છે, I have created this reference line. I will make the parallel line of minus 40 dB per decade from this particular. Okay, how? Just અહીંયા જોઈ લો એટલે તમને કંઈક ખબર પડી જશે. I will start minus 40 dB per decade line over here. Now see over here. જે અહીંયા ડ્રો કરું છું ત્યાં જુઓ. I will start drawing this line. અહીંયાથી જે લાઈન આવશે એની સ્લોપ કેટલો હશે? minus 40 dB per decade. So I will make this parallel line. This will be your 0 dB, this will be your 20 dB, this will be your 40 dB. Okay, so I will be having minus 40 dB per decade line. Okay, so I will make this arrangement. I will make the parallel line. I will make the parallel line from this point, that is minus 40 dB per decade. Okay, I will make the parallel line and shift it to over here. Okay, again this is your reference. Okay, this is the reference line. I will make the parallel line. અહીંયા point છે એમાંથી હું આગળ લઈ જઈશ. Okay, so previous slope was, resultant slope was minus 20 dB per decade. Now new slope will be
minus 40 decade.
minus 40 dB per
dB per decade.
Now this line, આ જે minus 40 dB per decade વાળી જે લાઈન છે એ ક્યાં સ્ટોપ થશે? નેક્સ્ટ પોલ ઓર 0 આવશે એમાં જે ઓમેગા આવે ત્યાં. What I mean trying to say is 1 upon s વાળી જે લાઈન હતી minus 20 dB per decade એ ક્યાં સ્ટોપ થઈ? 10 radian per second. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
અહીંયા આ લાઈન ક્યાં સ્ટોપ થઈ? 10 radian per second ઓમેગા અહીંયા થઈ ને આ.
Yes, sir.
What does that mean? આ પોલ છે તો નેક્સ્ટ પોલ આવ્યો ત્યાં સ્ટોપ થશે. તો હવે આ પોલની જે લાઈન છે -20 and -20, that is nothing but minus 40 dB per decade. તો એ પોલ ક્યાં સ્ટોપ થશે? નેક્સ્ટ પોલ અથવા તો 0 આવે ત્યાં. નેક્સ્ટ પોલ અથવા તો 0 છે આ અહીંયા. આમાં દેખાય છે નેક્સ્ટ પોલ 3 પછી ફેક્ટર નંબર 4 છે?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That means you don't need to stop it, you have to just continue it. એટલે આ જે લાઈન છે એ રિઝલ્ટન્ટ -40 dB per decade છે એ મેં કન્ટિન્યુ રાખી. ઓકે, સો what will be the magnitude curve? મેગ્નિટ્યુડ નો જે ગ્રાફ છે એ કયો છે? you can see this cursor અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ થશે, અહીંયાથી આ this one, એટલા પાર્ટને તમારે ડાર્ક બનાવવાનો. This is the magnitude part. અહીંયાથી જે પાર્ટ છે એ magnitude part છે. I am drawing it over here and making it very dark. Okay. Okay, so this is nothing but your first point, that is omega c1. Okay, the p1 both have c. Okay, done. This is the magnitude part. Now you have to draw another part, આ તમારો phase angle plot. You have to plot the phase angle plot. So as you can see, we are varying the frequency from 0.12, 0.2, 0.5, 0.12, 100. Okay, and we will be having the resultant phi r. What will be the minimum value and what will be the maximum value of phi r? Because omega is on your x-axis and phi r is on your y-axis. Okay, so what will be the minimum value? It is nothing but 19 minus 19.57 and minus 90.57 and ending at Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry for the disturbance. I got some call. Okay, so I have to make it off. So what we were, where we were there, where we were at this particular point.
Sir, the fire.
Okay, yes, fire. We are finding out this fire. So what is the minimum value? That is minus 90. And what will be the maximum value? Okay, maximum you can say it is minus 90, and minimum is nothing but minus 1.24.20. Okay, so this particular fire, we have to be a part of this y-axis, and this is nothing but your x-axis. X-axis already we have done. Okay, so this is nothing but your x-axis, 0.11. This will be your 10. This will be your a point કેટલો આવશે? Omega is equal to, cursor છે ત્યાં,
100.
a point. What will be the multiplier of this?
10.
અહીંયાથી આનું
Sir,
મલ્ટીપ્લાયર
100.
શું છે? જુઓ, એક ડિકેડ નું મલ્ટીપ્લાયર શું છે? આ
10.
10.
0.1 છે તો અહીંયા 1 આવે છે આન્સર. 1 છે તો 10 આવે છે નેક્સ્ટ. તો here you will be
100.
huh
100 also, sir.
it will be 100. Okay, so x-axis is ready with us. Now we have to make the y-axis. So we have minimum and maximum value. So I will again start drawing this. So now what I will do, depending upon this phi r, minimum and a maximum value, you have to decide your own scale for y-axis. Okay, so over here, what is the scale we have taken? We have taken minus 90 over here, and next we have taken minus 105. What does that mean? One particular unit is equal to how many degrees?
15 degrees.
15 degrees.
15.
Okay, and then I will put the values of this phi r for the different value of point omega. Okay, so for omega is equal to 0.1. What is the answer? What is the answer? 1 minute. Omega is equal to 1. Answer is minus 90.71.
Yes.
So I will make this mark over here. Omega is equal to 0.2. Answer is minus 91.14. Okay, omega is equal to 0.2. So 0.2 અહીંયા क्या આવશે? Here it is 0.1 and here it is 1. What does that mean? This 10 sub part is having a value of what? અહીંયા 0.1 હોય તો અહીંયા કેટલા આવશે? Are you getting me? This is 0.1. આ 0.1 છે અને આ 1 છે. એની અંદર બીજા 10 sub parts છે. What does that mean? This first part, which is the largest one. તો અહીંયા શું આવશે? આ 0.1 હોય તો અહીંયા આની વચ્ચે 10 પાર્ટ છે. આ તો આની વેલ્યુ શું થશે?
0.2.
0.2.
2.
Point. તમે ગ્રાફ ને એવું બધું ભણી ગયા છો 10 છઠ્ઠા સાતમા ધોરણમાં?
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, તો એમાં આવું બધું આવે?
Yes, પણ સર આ unequal distribution છે તો પણ આપણે એ જ રીતે લેવા.
Yes, that is what I am saying. If it is unequal distribution, but you can see there is a 10 sub parts.
Yes.
First part is this, the biggest one. Second part is this, the smaller compared to the biggest. Okay, and later last part is nothing but your lowest one. Okay, so here will be 0.2. These will be 0.3. These will be
0.4.
0.4.
5 for 6, 7, 8, and last will be અહીંયા શું આવશે? 1 આવશે. 1 અહીંયા આવી ગયો જુઓ. So now હવે next આ point શું આવશે? This is your omega is equal to 1 and this is your omega is equal to 10. આ 0.1 હોય તો આ પોઈન્ટ શું આવશે?
2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is your 10.
10.
Next 10 અહીંયા છે અને 100 અહીંયા છે, so this will be
20.
20, 30 and onwards. So you have to put the value of various omegas, various phi r, minus 90, minus 91, minus 174.28 from 0.1 to 100. એટલે point omega is equal to 0.1. I will put this over here. What is the answer? Omega is equal to 1. Phi r ની value શું છે? Phi r ની value કેટલી છે?
Minus 90.57.
Minus 90.56. Then I will put 0.2. 0.2 ક્યાં આવશે? અહીંયા આવશે. એની value કેટલી છે?
91.70.
એટલે અહીંયા એક point મૂકીશ.
1 4.
Next is your 0.5. 0.5 ક્યાં આવશે? અહીંયા 3, 4 and 5. 0.2, 3, 4 and 5. એટલે અહીંયાથી અહીંયા. Okay, what is the answer of 0.5?
Minus 92.87.
Okay, you have to calculate minus 92 અહીંયાથી ક્યાં આવશે? That you have to calculate and you have to put it over here. Next will be your omega is equal to 1. So 1 અહીંયા છે. This is your 1. What is the answer of 1 pi r?
Minus 95.71.
So you have to calculate again minus 95 and you have to put it. You have to put all the values of phi r for the corresponding values of omega and you have to mark this point. એટલે મેં બધા જ અહીંયા અલગ રીડિંગ થી અહીંયા માર્ક કરી લીધા છે. Okay, for all the values of omega, okay, whether it be a 50 or 100 or something, you will have to mark over here. એટલે અહીંયાથી 174 something જે છે અહીંયાથી આમ આવશે. Okay, once you get it, you have to connect all the points by free hand. બધા જ point ને તમારે free hand થી જોડવાના છે. Okay, એટલે હવે અહીંયાથી હું free hand થી અહીંયા જોડી દઈશ. So it will be considered as a resultant phase angle plot. Okay, પેલા કરતા સિમ્પલ છે. You have to just જે પેલા એમાં કરતા હતા એના જેવું, but you have to take care of this reading. -90 થી જે upper and lower limit of phi r છે, that you can decide from over here, and accordingly you have to select your own scale. એટલે અહીંયા સ્કેલ મૂક્યો મેં. 1 unit is equal to 50 degree. Done, and you have to connect with the free hand. This is nothing but your resultant phase angle plot. Done. So your graph will be looking like this. On the upper side you will be having a magnitude plot. On the lower side you will be having a phase angle plot. Done. Any query?
No, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I have given one homework for you. Have you completed it or not? Huh? Completed? Question આપ્યો તો
Yes,
ને?
sir.
What, sir?
Okay, what
Yes.
was the question? GS in practice શું હતું? GS into HS is equal to શું આપ્યું તું?
80 upon
80
S,
upon
હા,
S plus 2. 20.
this I have given 80 upon S into S plus 2 as another bracket S plus 20. Okay, can you calculate? પહેલા magnitude plot. What is K? First factor is K. K ની value કેટલી છે આમાં? What is the
Two.
value of K?
80.
Okay. Is the screen not visible? થોડું બોલો તમે તો મને ખબર પડે. સ્ક્રીન ફ્રીઝ થઈ ગઈ છે?
Yes, sir. આ સ્ક્રીન ફ્રીઝ થઈ ગઈ છે.
ઓકે, એક મિનિટ. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so we are having this 80 upon s into s plus 2 s plus 20. What will be the value of K? K is nothing but 80. So okay, so your magnitude is equal to 20 log K. What is the answer you are getting? 20 log 80. What is the answer you are getting?
સર k equal to 2 નહીં આવે અને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ફોર્મમાં નહીં કન્વર્ટ કરવું
Yes, you need to convert this into a standard form. So it will be 80 upon s into 1 plus 1 by 2 into s, 1 plus 1 by 20 into s. You have to multiply it by 2 and 20 also over here. So it will be 40, it will be 20. Okay, so your final answer will be 20 upon s into 1 plus 0.5 into s, 1 plus 0.2 into s. So your k is equal to what? 20. 20 log k, 20 log 20. Answer is hmm?
26.02.
Same as our answer. આમાં બી એ જ આવે છે 26 જ આવે છે. No. One minute. Okay, 20 नहीं આવે 2 આવશે ને?
યસ સર
2 આવશે 20 नहीं આવશે 2 આવશે. 20
6.02.
log हाँ
6.02.
6.02d. Okay, second factor is pole at origin. What you have to write? Slope will be minus 20 dB per decade. What will be the omega? Omega is equal to 1 radian per second. Third factor, simple pole. પહેલા પોલ આવશે 1 plus 0.5 into s. Okay, so what will be the omega? Compare it with this equation, 1 plus t1 into s. It will be 1 plus 0.5 into s. What is the value of t1? T1 or t is equal to 0.5. Okay, so what will be the value of omega? Omega is equal to 1 upon t. Your answer is 1 upon 0.5. It is nothing but 2 radian per second. Okay, simple pole ek लिखो, this one. Now I will take the third pole, third part or the third factor. It is nothing but the simple pole number 2. What will be the value? 1 plus 0.2 into s. comparing with your standard form, it will be like this. It will be 1 plus 0.2 into this. So it will be T2 is equal to 0.2. What will be the value of omega? Omega is equal to 1 upon T. It is nothing but 1 upon 0.2. 1 upon 0.2, it is nothing but
5 radian per second. 5.
it will be
5. 5 radian per second.
5 radian per. Okay, यहाँ 0.2 આવશે 1 upon 10 T એટલે કેટલા થાય?
Sir,
यहाँ भूल છે.
0.05.
It will be 0.02 or
05.
0.05 also, sorry, it is 1.05. Here mistake, 0.05, it is again 0.05, 0.05, so it will be 1 upon 0.05, it is equal to
20 radian per second.
20 radian per second. It will be 20 radian per second. Okay, so we are having omega 1, omega 2. Now we have to create the phase angle plot. For phase angle plot, again I will be varying the value of omega. Okay, the value of omega I am varying. Then K factor, then pole at origin, it is nothing but 1 upon S, it is this. Okay, then simple pole number 1. For simple pole number 1, we will be having minus 10 inverse 0.5 into omega. Okay, 0.5 into omega. This is your simple pole number 1. Another one is your simple pole 2. Simple pole 2. Simple pole 2 કયો છે? This one, 0.02, 0.05. So it will be simple pole 2. It is nothing but minus 10 inverse 0.05 omega. That is nothing but your pi r. Done. Now again I will vary the value of omega from 0.1, from 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, 1, 2, okay, 8, 10. There's these you can choose random values, 20, 40, 60, 100. What will be the contribution of K for the phase angle plot? कितना degree है? It will always be
0 degree.
It will always be 0 degree. કેમ 0 degree आयो? Why I have written 0 degree? ઝીરો ડિગ્રી ડાયરેક્ટ કેમ લખી નાખ્યું મેં? તમે લેક્ચર જુઓ છો, બધા સાંભળો છો વ્યવસ્થિત? આવું આપણે ડિરાઈવ કરેલું છે, બરાબર? આગળના લેક્ચર જોયું હતું. I don't want to discuss it. Next is pole at origin. What I have to write it over here?
Minus 90 degree.
Minus 90 degree. Why I am writing minus 90 degree? We have derived it. એ તમે આગળના લેક્ચરમાંથી જોઈ લેજો. Then I have to put the value of omega in this equation. Minus 10 inverse 0.5 omega. એમાં બધી વેલ્યુ મૂકો. -10 ઇનવર્સ 0.05 ઓમેગા આમાં બધી વેલ્યુ મૂકો અને ફાયર ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરો. ચલો બધા you have to put this value one by one. I will ask randomly. Everybody is calculating or just so rule number 32. Have you got the answer for the this point 1 32? Rule number 20.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Have you got this answer? Rule number 20. Rule number 18. Have you got the answer?
Sir, the screen is becoming quite invisible.
Rule number 31. Have you got the answer? How many of you have got just calculating? Just raise their hand so I can understand कि at least તમે કરો છો. Otherwise we will do in a reverse manner. કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરો છો કે નથી કરતા?
સર કરીએ છે.
Okay. Only one student is finding the answers. Rest are not doing.
નો સર કરીએ છે.
ઓકે હા તો રેઝ હેન્ડ કરો. મેં એવું કીધું કે મને ખબર પડવી જોઈએ તમે આન્સર બોલો છો કે
સર
નહીં.
કરેલા જ
આઈ
છે.
કેન આસ્ક હું એક સેપરેટ સેશન કરી દઉં જે લોકો કરતા હોય એના માટે અને બીજા બધાને કહું કે તમે જતા રહો.
સર રેઝ હેન્ડ કરેલો જ છે.
Sir, the screen દેખાતી જ નથી એટલે નથી થતું.
चलो डन. Now tell me answer. Roll number 27.
Yes, sir.
Simple poll number 1. એના આન્સર લખાવો મને. Point 1.
So minus 2.65.
2.65.
Minus
Okay.
2.65.
Then
Minus 5.31.
then
Minus 13.28.
next
Minus 2.65.
no 1 ઉપર કેટલો આવશે? કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરો છો હજુ કે થઈ ગયા?
બાકી જશે થોડા.
રોલ નંબર 20.
બાકી છે સર.
હા
સર કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરું છું, બાકી છે.
ઓકે. સો લીવ ઇટ. શાંતિથી કરજો, વાંધો નહીં. બટ what you are calculating, are you able to get it? Minus 10 inverse 0.5 omega. You have to put the various values of omega over here and you have to put all the values. અહીંયાથી આ બધા find out કરવાના છે. Similarly for the simple pole number 2, you have to put the value of omega in this equation, minus 10 inverse 0.5 into omega, and you have to find out this. Okay, and finally you have to find out phi r. What is phi r? Phi r is nothing but phi 1 plus phi 2 plus phi 3 plus phi 4. What is phi 1? Phi 1 is this, phi 2 is this, phi 3 is this, and phi 4 is this. Okay, you have to put all the values. પછી કેવી રીતે કરવાનું ટ્રાય થતો હોય તો કરજો, અધરવાઇઝ હું લેક્ચરમાં શીખવાડીશ. But you have to complete this table. Is there any query in this table?
No, sir.
Okay, complete it as you try it to draw on your semi-log graph paper. Meanwhile, what you have to do, you have to prepare for your tutorials also. હવે તમને ડ્રો કરવામાં થોડી તકલીફ પડે એ હું ફરીથી શીખવાડીશ, but at least theory part તમે complete કરી રાખો. Okay, so you are having another tutorial for the Bode plot. Okay, I am sharing it with you. Okay, so the example number 6, are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
બહુ
નો સર.
હા
ડિસ્ટર્બન્સ છે, કઈ નહીં દેખાતું.
PDF ફાઇલ નથી દેખાતી?
સર આખું ડિસ્ટર્બન્સ આવે છે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર.
Now
નોટ વિઝિબલ સર. વિઝિબલ
Yes,
સર.
sir, visible.
વિઝિબલ.
now
નાવ
visible.
વિઝિબલ છે.
Okay, so this is your question number 6. Okay, it is new tutorial. I will send it once it is getting finalized. So you are having next question is just lucky nakho, gs into s is equal to 1000 divided by s into 1 plus 0.1 into s into bracket 1 plus 0.001 into s. Okay, તમારે આની કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરી નાખવાની. આ જે છે ને એના જેવી જ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન છે બધી. First you have to find out for question number 6, gs into hs is equal to 1000 divided by s into bracket 1 plus 0.1 into s bracket over another bracket 1 plus 0.001 into s. Okay, 6 phase angle plot અને બધું જ at least ready કરીને રાખજો, so it will be easy for understanding. Then you have to go for question number 9. GS into HS is equal to 50 upon S into 1 plus 0.25 into S into bracket 1 plus 0.1 into S. Second question is 50 upon S into 1 plus 0.25 into S bracket over another bracket 1 plus 0.1 into S. ઓકે, આ બંને ક્વેશ્ચનના તમારે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરવાના છે મેગ્નિટ્યુડ અને રિઝલ્ટન્ટ નું જે થિયરિટિકલ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન છે થશે. ખાલી કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીને રાખજો. ડ્રો કેવી રીતે કરું I will explain you. અને જો કદાચ ફરીથી તમને ખબર ના પડતી હોય તો I will provide video or we can do better way. ઓકે, આ એટલીસ્ટ કમ્પ્લીટ કરીને રાખજો. So in tomorrow class we can discuss how to draw it. Okay.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay. હવે મને વેડનેસડે માં તમારો સેકન્ડ લેક્ચર પ્રતીક સર નો છે અને થર્સડે ના બી પ્રતીક સર નો છે. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, વાંધો નહીં. હા. Meanwhile, what we will do, we will be having some extra session in this because we are on the verge of completion of your term. Okay, but course ઘણું બધું બાકી છે પણ તમારી એક્સટર્નલ એક્ઝામ બહુ દૂર છે. So we will be doing some of the session after your second internal. Okay, any query?
No sir.
No, sir.
If you have query you can stay here. If you don't have you can leave.
Thank you, sir.